ready to roll out another concoction, another breakfast bite around Christmas time. I must, it is a must, have a pastel for breakfast Christmas morning. If I don't have a pastel, yeah, that's not Christmas. Not all the time everybody can sit and have a chain of people making pastels. Not everybody like buying pastels. It's kind of expensive now. So that's why I'm here. I am going to give you a real simple way to enjoy the pastel flavors in a simple pancake. I want to thank the folks at Regal for making this one possible, because once you have Regal cornmeal, you have some Regal baking powder, baking soda, you can create that nice cornmeal flavor with a pancake. What you just saw is that I have all the wonderful flavors. So I have here the mincemeat, the raisins, the olives, everything in here that's in the pancake I have right here. I am going to introduce it to a pancake. They're going to form a union and live happily ever after every Christmas from here on after. Let's create mincemeat is done. Let's create the simple pancake batter. Pancakes are so kind of easy. Flour. I'm going with salt, some sugar, Regal baking powder, Regal baking soda, and to make this pancake that much special on this Christmas morning, I want to get some Regal cornmeal happening here. Just about a cup. Cup of cornmeal. So that should give it that nice little yellow cornmeal pastel kind of vibe, right? And that's your dry ingredients. So now for your wet ingredients, I need a bowl. And you want 2 eggs in here. Some milk. Guys, remember you can get these recipes on capuchocaribbean.com. Very, very simple pancake. My cornmeal pancake. Added some oil there. And I just want to whisk that together. Basically your egg, milk, and oil mixture. Once the eggs are beaten, you're good to go. And all I want to do now is add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. What I like to do here is add it probably in thirds. So I just want to make sure that it comes in. Or I should use a whisk. Got to use the right tools. So you whisk a pancake batter. Is exactly that. It just needs to be a nice thick batter, just with that little bit of give. Not too watery, but not too thick. So you see that yellow hue that you're getting there? That's the feel of the pancake and the pastel kind of coming together there. That yellow hue. Yeah. That is the consistency that you're now looking for there. Simple pancake batter, guys. Get the recipe on capuchocaribbean.com. I'm going to just add about 2 tablespoons of oil. to my hot pan. And we're going to start pulling together some pastel pancakes. I like to work with one consistent spoon. One consistent spoon, right? And this is so that your pancakes can kind of look the same. They won't. Some will be a little oblong, some will be circular, some might come out a little kind of, but it's all good. This is just to try to help you to keep it same size. So you go with nice one heaping tablespoon, sorry. Yes? I get nervous every time. Let's try to get one more in there very quickly. These pancakes do not take long. 30 to 45 seconds on one side. And because I'm doing all sorts of things here, I want to get all this goodness sprinkled on top here nicely. Oh, it smells so good. So what's happening here is that you don't want to cover the edges because you're looking for the bubbles to kind of show itself. When it starts to bubble, you know the pancakes are ready to flip. I'm starting to see my bubbles. When you flip it, the infusion now of all that pastel flavor from the meat is getting up in there. It just takes about 30 seconds. These pancakes you will make every Christmas, whether you have pastels in the house or not. It goes perfect with your chow chow, guys. Very, very simple. You can stack it up how much ever you want. Chow chow, I love a little butter just to melt on it when it's kind of nice and warm as well. If you want to do your honey and your syrup, you can do that. But not with my pastel pancakes, please. Just some chow chow and a little butter. Get the recipe on CupOfJoeCaribbean.com. This is one of my favorites. A pastel pancake concoction. Breakfast bites. Did you say Merry Christmas? Come on back.